We'll guide you through how to make coin 3D with Element 3D After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create simple 3D coin animations inside Adobe After Effects without relying on complex modeling programs. It helps beginners understand shaping, materials, and basic animation controls, while also giving designers practical techniques to produce eye-catching visuals for videos, ads, or social media content. To begin, open Adobe After Effects and click New Project in the top left corner to start a fresh workspace. Once inside the new project, click New Composition in the middle of the screen to create a composition for your animation. Name the composition whatever you like and set the aspect ratio according to your preference. And you can also adjust the frame rate to suit your needs. After setting these options, click OK in the bottom right corner to confirm. Next, right-click on the timeline, select New, then choose Solid Layer, and click OK to add the solid layer. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, find Element or Element 3D, and drag the effect onto your solid layer to enable 3D features. Click Scene Setup in the top left corner, which will take you into the Element 3D interface. At the top, click Create and select Cylinder Model to generate a base shape. Increase the scale to your liking so the object becomes clearly visible. Then click the lock icon on the right to unlock uniform scaling, allowing you to adjust dimensions independently. Decrease the Y scale until the thickness resembles a coin. Once the shape matches a coin, adjust its rotation in the Orientation section to position it as desired. In the Cylinder Model section, click the arrow on the left and select the Material Settings. In the Basic Settings area, set the diffuse color to yellow to give the object a coin-like appearance. When you are satisfied with the result, click OK in the top right corner to return to After Effects. In the Element section, locate the World Transform settings and click the arrow on the left. Select Create World Transform and click Create, which will generate a null layer in the timeline. Click the arrow next to the null layer. Open the Transform options and use these controls to move and position the coin through the null layer as needed for your scene.